If you're not nervous, you're nuts.
Commercial diving is a career for me because I always wanted to be an underwater welder.
I've always wanted to be a rescue diver in the Navy, straight out of high school. So I figured this would be another opportunity to do something similar to what I always wanted to do.
I grew up welding throughout my high school and I wanted to pursue it.
I liked CDA because we get in the water the first week. With other schools, it's 7 weeks.
I already had a friend from the Marine Corps that was going through the program. He hooked me up with the staff and they helped me get everything on the roll to get into the school.
It wasn't really that difficult to apply to CDA at all. The admissions office is really enough help for you.
I could call them at any time when they were open, and I could email them at any time they reply. Super fast.
PT in the mornings is definitely demanding, especially because it's right after you wake up.
You have wet PT, dry PT is split up in 2 days. It's tough, but everything that we do is in correlation with what we're going to do in the field.
At CDA's welding program, you are in the classroom all day learning about the electrodes or the electro holders, and then the next day you'll take your test on it and you'll go out there and you'll set up all your leads, and we weld all day long.
First time I was breathing underwater, I flipped. It was so awesome. You were breathing fast at first because you're not used to having a helmet on your head. Within like 5 minutes, I was upside down doing backflips and fell on my back once, but I didn't care.
When I was a freshman, we had to wear our weight belts and our bailout bottles. One of my classmates turned her bailout bottle all the way on.
So my whip started going all over the place and everybody was making fun of me and laughing. But you know, it's a good memory to have.
I don't believe there are any special challenges in this training as a woman. I think everybody's treated fairly equal.
You just have to be able to go along with the guys and pull your own weight.
No one treats me different here. They all want to help you and make you be better so that no one can look down on you and say, oh, because you're a woman. They will tell you, hey, if I can do it, you can do it.
Me being a woman here honestly makes no difference to them. They don't treat me any differently. The women here are really awesome too. You know, we all have the same goal.
Stay strong, stay focused, do what it is that you have to do, and don't doubt in yourself.
It will help you in the long run. It's not as scary as it seems.
Don't get discouraged by it being a mainly man-dominated job field, and put in forth your best effort.
Because you can push as hard as the guys, so never give up on it.
There's a quote that I always try to live by: conquering the fear of death is what allows you to truly appreciate life. So that's definitely something that I'm going to carry with me throughout this career field, knowing how dangerous it could be. But at the same time, once you get over that fear and you understand what you're really doing and you slow it down and breathe and think about it, it makes it a lot easier to get over those fears and accomplish things that you never thought were possible.